Hi, this is Kerry Artak with Wicked Stocks, bringing you your daily Tesla report for Wednesday, September 25th, 2024. But before we check out the charts, I just want to ask you to please click like, share, subscribe, and check out wickedstocks.com, where we offer a full suite of both daily and weekly analytical videos, just like the daily Tesla and daily NVIDIA reports, daily analysis in the SPY, daily analysis in the Triple Q, weekly analysis in the S&P 500 Index, the NASDAQ 100 Index, and Apple stock, as well as 2 individual stock picks a week that you never see on YouTube that cater to the 3 to 5 week swing trader out to the 3 to 5 month near term investor, always looking for 20% moves or more on those underlying stocks. And you get to see all of this for free. We offer a 5-day free trial up front. So check out wickedstocks.com. Let's take a look at the charts. I'm going to start with, I think this is the best one for the day. Oh, by the way, before I jump into all this, just want to mention before I forget, we put out a stock pick in wickedstocks.com on Tuesday in PayPal. You want to check that out. We're in the midst of something. I'm not going to say, but you can see it for free by going to wickedstocks.com and taking advantage of our 5-day free trial. Anyway, 258.50, a channel top we've been mentioning as an objective now for some days. It can contain buying for the week and even into October trade. And from here, we are now anticipating 225.46 as a 2 to 3 week downside likelihood, so long as we continue placing settlements at or below the 258.50 rising channel top. On the way down over the next day or three, a 242.28 in reach where we can place a daily low. And if we were to close below 242.28, I don't see that today, but certainly possible over the next few days. Then we pivot south aggressively to 225.46. Now you could play the short side already. We did essentially test the 258.50 channel top on Tuesday. We pushed, I don't think we tested it outright, but we rallied well inside the 1% zone. You can see it looks like we actually did test it. So you may be short now. And if you're a 2 to 3 day swing trader, you can anticipate 242.28. If you're a 2 to 3 week swing trader, you can anticipate 225.46. It is about as simple as that. On the way down today, we still have this former channel top at 249.87, not altogether different than yesterday's low of 249.05 that can contain intraday selling pressures. We could trade inside the 249.87 to 258.50 area all day long. And if we break 249.87, we could see, I was going to say should see, but I don't know. We've got 47.06, 45.63 on the way down. But yes, I will say that if we break, especially if we open below 249.87 today, 242.28 in reach, where if you've been short from yesterday, you can take profits. I'm talking, this is kind of a 1 to 3 day swing trade, I think. 3 to 5 days, I don't think it'll take nearly that amount of time. And once again, well, let me continue fleshing this out. 242.28 is also a level that if you want to just go long the market for the day and possibly, through the rest of the week, you can, because we could bounce off of 242.28 and rally back by Friday's close to 258.50. We could trade inside of this wedge for the next few days. Closing, though, below 242.28, no good reason to be long Tesla through the rest of the week. I would anticipate the 225.46 channel bottom within about 3 to 5 days, which is once again considered a 2 to 3 week objective now below 258.50. At 225.46, we can bottom out on a weekly, possibly monthly basis and round back up again. So if you're short now and you're a 2 to 3 week swing trader, you're taking profits at the 225.46 channel bottom, and you can go long there as well in anticipation of upward rotation back to the 258.50 channel top. Closing below that 225.46 formation in the coming weeks would be a significant sell signal event. I would expect the market to collapse quite possibly all the way back to 172.44 within a month or two of doing so. But we're a long way from that right now. Let's get back to 258.50. If we push through or open above 258.50 today, we could test 271 even within the day. That is the July high, and I think that would be a about it for the day. On the way up, 264.90 should be respected for its ability to contain intraday buying pressures. There is a likelier scenario, I think, by a degree, and that is to say that pushing through 258.50 indicates 264.90 intraday, while closing above 258.50 indicates 271 even by Friday's close. And of course, closing above 258.50, as I've been saying, would signal longer-term bullish continuation. The 302.80 formation then in reach by the end of October. 302.80 is part of a range of long-term resistance up to 333.02 on the weekly chart. That's a 1.5-year channel structure, whereas your 302.80 is more of a 6-month structure. In any event, closing above 258.50 is a get long opportunity through October. The following 3 to 5 weeks then expected to push into the lower 300 zone, where we could top out through the rest of the year, possibly well into next, as it pertains to our weekly channel top at 333.02. Once again, holding below 258.50 is a short play. No good reason to be long Tesla, in my opinion, until or unless we close above 258.50. And I'm talking to 2 to 3 week swing traders, because holding below 258.50 will keep 225.46 in reach as a 2 to 3 week target. And if we were to close over the next couple of days below the 242.28 formation, we should see 225.46 within 3 to 5 days. Please click like, share, subscribe. Check out wickedstocks.com. Take advantage of that 5-day free trial. Check out the PayPal signal that we put out on Tuesday. You'll see it for free. Take advantage of that 5-day free trial. I will be back tomorrow with Thursday's Tesla report. You have a great evening.